Hello everyone, welcome to the second session of the 7th chapter. In this section, we're going to learn how to insert footnote and endnote. Endnotes are supplementary notes to the text, which are added at the end of the entire document to list the sources of the cited documents. When writing a paper, you need to insert references into the documents, which are endnotes. The following describes how to insert endnotes into a document. First, open the document and position the cursor to the content where you want to insert the endnote. Click the References tab, insert endnote, and the page will jump to the end of the entire document. Enter the comment content, which adds an endnote to that content. Click Footnote Endnote Separator to switch whether to add a separation line. If you want to insert the footnote, you can click References tab, Insert Footnote. The following procedures are just the same as inserting the endnote. This is the end of this section. Thank you.